Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing. So Santa Claus was so kind enough to drop off this huge box at my front door the other day before Christmas. I know, that was the most whacked out intro, right? Hi Paisley. But I figured I'm in a great mood. You know, I just feel so good when I'm on program. So I did order a box, and crazy, it took like 2 days to get here. It says it's from Maryland. I live in Jersey, so no shocker. Back in the day when I did this about 2 years ago, it did used to come within 2 days, but it hasn't for quite some time. Lo and behold, here it is. So let's just get started. There's a couple of new items in here that I have never had. And so I'm so excited. How many of you guys get so excited when that box shows up? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's dive into the box. First, I think we should make sure that it's even my box, because you guys remember last time. Check it out. We've got the bubble. So I know that my boxes weren't all over the place, which is a good thing. And here's the packing slip, and lo and behold, it's got my name on it. Ah. All right, so let me take a peek, and yes, everything is on it that I ordered. Yes, it is. Okay, here we go. So if you remember the last box I got, there was an item in it that was brand new to me. And guys, I loved it. I ate all 7 of these in the first week that I had the box. So I had to get another one. This is the chocolate cherry ganache bar. I really didn't think I would like it. That's why I had never ordered it, but I was so happy. This is delicious. If you like chocolate cherry ice cream, you know, like chocolate ice cream with cherries in it, this is what the flavor reminds me of. Very, very good. The next feeling I got is no shocker. It's the peanut butter bars. I love them. Here's my new item. Never had it before. Never, ever. And I'm excited. And it's in a blue box. Kind of pretty there. This is the hot chocolate. You guys have been telling me to buy this. You say it's delicious. So my plan of attack is I'm trying to cut back on the coffee. And so my plan is to wake up and have one of these in the morning instead of coffee. And I only ordered 1 box because I felt like, what if I didn't like it? Or what if, for whatever reason, you buy too many. So I figured, let me try it. I'll start out with 7, see how it goes, and I'll report back. Okay, the next box is chocolate pudding. How could I have an order without chocolate pudding? I can't. In fact, guess what, you guys? I got 2. Cannot be without. All right. Next thing I got was a box of the creamy chocolate shake. You guys know how much I love my shakes. And since I've been using 1 cup of almond milk in these shakes, I love them even more. For some reason, I don't know, why didn't I ever do this? 1 cup of almond milk is a condiment, and you're allowed 3 condiments a day. So if I have a shake during the day and use a cup of almond milk rather than water, I'm still within the parameters. And I have to say, it really makes a difference. It makes it very thick and creamy, and I love the taste because I've been buying the unsweetened vanilla flavor. So the vanilla mixed with that chocolate, it's so good. All right, the next box is another chocolate shake. Didn't want to be without them. I know that a lot of you were saying this wasn't so great since they've revamped it, but I love it. The home-style chicken noodle soup, especially on a cold day, especially when there's snow on the ground. This is a great feeling to have. Don't overlook this if you like soup. I got another box of shake, but this one's the Mocha Blast. This one hasn't been in quite some time, and I'm so excited to have it back. I love to make my mock Starbucks mocha. I use now I will be, can I talk today? Now I will be using the almond milk in this, so I'm going to have the Mocha Blast with the almond milk, and I'll probably add just a little drizzle of the Walden Farms chocolate syrup on top. Yum. Okay. Got a box of the cinnamon sugar sticks. This is another one that's been revamped, and I like these better than the old ones. This to me tastes more like buttery, like that cinnamon buttery, you know the flavor, you know when you melt butter and you add cinnamon and brown sugar to it and you make like what am I trying to think of? That's what this tastes like. It tastes to me like pretzels or breadsticks dipped in butter, cinnamon, and brown sugar. These are dynamite, guys. Dynamite. Got a box of brownies. Who can't? I mean, like, I craved these when I was dissipating from my feelings. This was one thing that I really missed. So I got another box. Got another box of Mocha Blast shake. So I have 2 creamy chocolates and 2 mochas. So I have enough for the whole month. And then, guys, I don't know how many of you know about these. It seems like a lot of you don't. If you're new to program and you're short on time and you're not in the mood to cook, or there's a lot of nurses in the group that we have, Keeping It Optavia with Felicia Nurse. It's on Facebook. Go join. It's free. We have like 12,000 members almost in there. There's a lot of nurses, and I've been noticing a lot of them have been making posts about working overnight shift, like how are they going to do it? What are they going to eat? That I had to get these because for myself, I just wanted, you know, something different. But Optavia makes lean and green meal complete, and you can buy them. They're called Flavors of Home. That is what it looks like. So these are not frozen. These go in your pantry or whatever. They have so many different kinds. They have like a lemongrass chicken. They have the turkey meatballs, which I've had, which is great. They have a chicken and rice one. This is chicken cacciatore. Out of all the ones that I've ever tried, this one's my favorite. These are great if you're on the go, if you're traveling, throw them in your bag. If you're going to somebody's house, which with the pandemic, it might not be, you know, happening right now, but this is a great option. I want you guys to check it out if you haven't. I don't make money off of this if you're new. This is just my recommendations. But the entire tray has 290 calories, 15 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 25 grams of protein. So this literally is a lean and green. It's cooked white chicken strips. That's your first ingredient, which is really nice. It's got a little bit of soy protein in it, water, tomatoes, bell peppers, red bell peppers, onions, crushed tomatoes, pasta, wheat pasta rather, egg white, and then you've got your chicken broth, carrots, sea salt, garlic powder, blah, 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 paprika. So it's pretty healthy. The one thing I have to tell you, though, is don't eat one of these if you're going to weigh in the next day, because this little pouch has 480 milligrams of sodium. Now, for someone like me, I can't eat this the day before weigh-in, but I can eat it. If I weigh in on my weigh-in day, this would be a great option that night. But you have to be careful. Like I said, if you retain fluid, if your blood pressure is high and you're on medication, this might not be an option for you, but see how it goes. The rest of you who don't have any blood pressure issues, cardiac things, this is a great option. I know 480 milligrams of sodium is not that high, but for people that have a problem, for people like me who retain, it might not be the most ideal. So I eat these sparingly. It comes in a pack of 6. So I do have 6 in my box. That finishes off my order. Now, what do I have? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? So 18, but 6 of them are just lean and green. So technically we have 12 boxes, which is technically like half of a month. You should have at least 21 boxes to carry you through the month. But I do still have some things here, mostly bars, which I've been trying to only have one a day. I know they're interchangeable and it doesn't matter. but I've just been trying to do more of a variety because I feel like sometimes I get stuck on the same fuelings. And I want to, that's why aside from the shakes, that's why I only went with 1 box of the bars, 1 box of the brownies, 1 box of the soup. You get my picture. I want to have variety, okay? Doesn't matter. I can have the same fueling every day for every fueling for the whole month. That's fine. But I feel like with a variety, especially for someone like me who gets bored easy or who just, you know, I don't have a problem eating the same thing, but I want to have a variety. So that's what I did. I want to open up the chocolate pudding box just to see if anything exploded inside. And it did not. There's not any powder. Look at that. Nice and clean. The bottom of the box doesn't fly open. So I'm actually really happy with this box. Look at this. Nothing is falling out. Very nicely packaged. Again, nothing is leaking. So, yay, Optavia! Maybe they watched one of my videos. Maybe they saw me complain. Maybe they heard our cries. But this is a nice solid box. Packing slip was right. The bubble wrap was in there. Tightly packed. Clean. 2 days? What a great thing. All right, guys, so that was my box, my unboxing. And let's see how I do. My new weigh-in day is Sundays. So on Sunday nights now, moving forward, because that's when I got back onto this after that caffeine fiasco on last Saturday. Every Sunday, you will see a weigh-in day like I used to do. Every single week. I'm doing it. Okay? I hope you love it. All right, guys. So stay focused. Jess and I are heading out for the day. So I hope you all have a great day. Stay focused. And we can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.